So one of my subscribers just now asked that how we can create a Trailhead account or whether we have to create a Salesforce account or Trailhead account for completing the Salesforce challenge. If you haven't seen the video, you can watch it. Now let me show you how you can create it. First of all, you have to simply click on this sign up over here. I've shared the link. Do not worry about it. Now here, wait for the page to fully load first of all. Now after that, it's asking to just enter the details. So you can use the Google or if you are using any others existing link means if you are having MuleSoft account or Tableau account or Salesforce account, you can just select any one of these. For ease of access, and I think maximum of the people are having Google account, so I'm just selecting Google. Or if you're having a business email, you can just enter the details and click on next. So I'm using the Google basic method and easy to understand method. So wait for it, it's loading and here just select the account, simply select it. Now just click on continue. Now select your country. Okay, just select your country. It's a global event, so anyone can take part in it and select your state. Okay, now just select it and just click on next. Now here it's asking more details. You can just mention your name, company name. If you are having any, you can mention it over here. There is no compulsion. Now for the role, you can mention student and the relationship, customer, and just click on next. It's asking for company name, so you can write your college name also. Okay, so just write it and just click on next. Wait for some time. Now finally all things are done. Simply click on continue over here and you'll be logged in to the Trailblazer quest website, and from there you can start the quest. So finally we are redirected to the website, and if you just open, for example, I am opening the same quest for which I made the video. You can just see it over here. Now if I open over here, you can see we are signed in over here. Okay, we are just signed in over here, and if you feel that you are not signed in, you can simply sign in. Now just click on mark as complete. Here are some rules, you can just watch it. And coming to the next thing, you have to complete the trail. So you'll find the trail over here, and simply you have to complete the trail for all the challenges. Okay, it will contain some labs and free courses, quizzes, all the things over there. Now you are already signed in. If you want to view your profile, you can just view it and just go to the settings and update it. This was related to account creation. So here is the video. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.